In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate and flip a video in CapCut PC. If you recorded a clip upside down or you simply want to mirror your footage for a better looking angle, CapCut makes the process very quick and easy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can adjust your video confidently and see the changes immediately in the preview. To begin, go down to your timeline and find the video clip you want to edit. Once you've located it, click directly on that video block one time. When the clip is selected, you'll see it become highlighted with a white border. That visual outline is important because it confirms CapCut knows which clip you want to modify. If you don't see the border, just click the clip again to make sure it's active before moving on. Next, let's use the quick shortcut tools above the timeline. Look for the editing toolbar that runs horizontally just above your track lanes. If you want to flip the clip horizontally, like a mirror image, click the mirror tool icon. The icon looks like two triangles divided down the middle. As soon as you click it, your footage will flip, and you should be able to see the result right away in the preview window. This is useful when you want to reverse the left and right sides of the image without changing anything else. If your video needs to be turned instead of mirrored, move one icon to the right and click the Rotate tool. Every single click rotates the video 90 degrees clockwise. So if the clip is upside down or sideways, you can keep clicking until it reaches the correct orientation. Watch the preview screen as you do this so you can stop as soon as it looks right. If you need more control and want to set a custom angle, move to the top right panel of the interface. Under the Video tab, open the Basic section, then scroll down until you reach Position and Size. In that area, find the Rotate control. You can drag the circular dial left or right for a more precise adjustment, or type in an exact degree value if you already know the angle you want. This is especially helpful when you want a slight tilt rather than a full 90-degree turn. And that's it. Select the clip in the timeline, use the toolbar icons for quick mirror or rotate actions, and use the top right rotation control when you need a more exact adjustment. With just a few quick moves, your video will be properly oriented and ready to keep editing.